Add the eggs to boiling water and be amazed by the result. I'm going to add 8 eggs to the boiling water, and I'll wait 5 minutes until they're cooked. This part is almost done. Now I'll start cutting the yolks with a spatula. The eggs are well cooked. Now I'll take them out, drain them in a strainer, and set them aside. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a big shout out. Today's shout out goes to Emma Johnson from London. I'm happy that you're enjoying our recipes. In a pan, I'll add oil, 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped garlic cloves, and sauté. Now I'll add half a green bell pepper, half a yellow bell pepper, 1 chopped tomato, and sauté. Tell me, what's your favorite egg recipe? I'd love to know. Let's season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and mix well. Now on to the next step. Here, I'll add the reserved eggs and cut them into smaller pieces with this spoon. I'll add the mixture we prepared and then parsley to taste, remembering that it's optional. This recipe is incredibly delicious. Try it at home and come back to tell me what you think. I'm sure you'll love it. This recipe is very nutritious as well as delicious.